Okay traders, I'll just walk you through logging into your demo account now. So once you've downloaded and installed the platform, this window will be on screen. Left click on next. Click on existing trade account, left click there, and then with your demo account details, just copy and paste in your login details. So your account number and your password, I'm just copying it from my other screen. Those are my new demo account details. And then left click on finish. And then when you hear that noise, you then know that you've logged into your demo account.
Incoming mail.
Okay, so that's how you can log into your demo account.